Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to talk about, first of all, a video that request that I have gotten, and that's to do a comparison with Mary Kay and Avon. And to tell you the truth, I don't feel comfortable doing that. I know that says a lot about me, but because I am still technically an Avon representative, I can't go on bashing another company. So that's pretty much similar. So yeah, I'm not going to do that. However, I did go on eBay because I was thinking about this video and everything, and I did order some samples from Mary Kay. But I'm not gonna. I'll probably do a makeup tutorial or just test them out myself and tell you what I think. But I'm not gonna compare which ones are better and which ones aren't. Also, I have a makeup unboxing for you that I'm still getting makeup for, but this is a mystery box basically from eBay, and this cost me $8.50, but I got some really good stuff in here. And then also, so I'll get to that one in a second. And then also, I've been bidding on stuff from Top Hatter. I got this really pretty necklace. I'm trying to show it up there. The only problem is that the chain is too short, so I gotta get an actual necklace ascender. And also another ring that I decided to order, which was like literally $1 or $3 or something like that. And it was when when the winter hits, I'll be able to put gloves over it and it won't be an issue. But yes, get back to the makeup unboxing. Unbagging is more like it. But like I said, this thing only cost me $8 something, and I got a really pretty Model Company luxurious cream lipstick in Savannah. It's really pretty. I'm not going to test any of these right now. A beauty blender sort of thing. Another liquid lipstick. Lardnesty, something like that. I don't know. But yeah. Another one. This is a eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow from Lox. Eyebrow pencil in medium. A photo finish from Smashbox, a photo finish foundation primer. Another eyebrow gel thing, Fill Tame. And then a Stila liquid lipstick. So most of these are samples, which is cool for me. I don't care. I like to test stuff out. But like I said, the Avon and Mary Kay I'm not going to do. I do have another unboxing for you, which I will do in another video. And also, I'm thinking of trying to find another place in my apartment to film. I mean, I like the whole kitchen table situation, you know, in the kitchen and all that, but I want to make it more like where it's kind of decorated and kind of it looks nicer than what my background actually is. So with that, if you like, subscribe below, comment, click the thumbs up, and yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.